Most important question of aptitude. Let us see the question. 0.05% of 85 equal to what? For this type of question, simple technique is what? First you multiply the given number. Okay. And after that, from the right side, after 2-digit decimal. So we will get here what? Just multiply 85 by 5. So we will get 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42. Now here after 2-digit, decimal after 2-digit, and here percentage. So after 4-digit decimal. So 1, 2, 3, and then there is a 4. So our correct answer is what? 0.0425, because here 2 decimal and here percent. 0.0425 is our right answer.